Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ridegly, local and long-distance movers near me. Shifting overseas and are clueless on how you will transport all your stuff? Leave it to 3 Movers to make your transit process easy. We've been serving the people of Ridegly for over 2 decades and understand how difficult it is to settle down in a whole new country. We help you by lessening the burden of packing and unpacking your belongings, and our team will ensure that everything reaches and unpacks on time, as we decided earlier, no matter where you're going. Furthermore, if any of the items get damaged, we will compensate you for the loss immediately. Looking to shift to a nearby location? Contact 3 Movers in Ridegly to help confirm your moving process. And we also know the routes and roads of Ridegly, and we're working here for over 20 years. You just have to relax while our team members settle down all your stuff. From shifting to a new apartment or moving into a new house, we help our clients in every possible way. You can speak to our team whenever you want during the packing and unpacking process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ridegly moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.